I've loved vans since I was a kid. It just seemed like a good fit to create custom vans for people to enjoy time outside. Hi, I'm Calvin and I'm the owner of 97 Customs Camper Conversions. What we have here is 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 159 high roof. It was brought to me by the owners. His name's Charlie, and they had done some work to it previously to kind of get them kitted out, get a feel for what they wanted. And once they had that dialed in, they brought it to me to get a nice finished product out of it. They had the windows installed, the custom rack, the solar panels, they had the roof fan and the road shower and ladder and the floor inside. All right, let's take a look at what we've done on the inside. Starting right at the door here, we have access to our water system. It's a jug system, 2 fresh water, 1 gray water, all 7 gallons each. Just a nice basics USB rechargeable water pump, and that goes into a 16 by 16 inch sink. So moving inside, start at the front here, we have a swivel seat on the passenger side and a lagoon table leg. So that gives you a nice spot to sit over here next to the table. Spins all the way around. Everyone should know what the lagoon is like. So next up we have this bench, which houses the Dometic CFX 75 liter fridge that runs on 12 volt and 120 volt. Dual compartment, can be easily removed to clean or whatever. Just a foam pad on top to have a seat for the bench to mate with your swivel seat, and it also doubles as a dog bed for their dog. Okay, so the countertops they chose were a nice bamboo. These are stained and finished with Osmo Poly-X, which is a hard wax finish. Really nice, feels like soft like butter. Did a nice cutout here for the sink, which is stainless steel sink. Yeah, and as you can see, there's plenty of counter space to cook. They went with a portable stove because they like to cook outside a lot, more so than inside, but so they didn't want anything built in. All right, so on this side, we have access to the water system from here, so you don't have to do it from the outside. This cupboard here has a shelf in it, holds the stove. They wanted a secure spot for the stove, so it's in there. They also have an induction that they are going to throw in there, and then we have a bank of drawers, all various sizes, just different depths for different size items. On this side we have another bank of drawers, another cabinet which houses their cassette toilet, and put a little cutout here for a footstep to get up into the bed, so you don't have to have a spare ladder or step or anything like that. You can just use the built-in step that's already there. And finally, we have the owners wanted a pass-through, so in case they had paddle boards or anything like that, they can get through to the back, and yeah, just for extra long storage. This side for uppers, we got 4, all built with slam latches as well. And this one here, it houses the solar controller and the inverter remote, so you can turn on the remote or turn on the inverter from here. And there's some extra room for future accessories and upgrades if they choose to add anything later on down the road. Same thing, this passenger side, just 2 on this side because their heads are there. So same idea though. Got the lifts coming, don't have lifts yet. They got delayed, so they will be installed though. And up top above the door, there's just a nice little shelf, you know, for some soft goods, window covers, that sort of thing, and makes it usable and functional. Back at the bed here, it's a queen size, really comfortable mattress. We have the Made in Canada Sirocco 2 fan here. These are awesome. You can pretty much do anything you want with them. They spin 360, really nice, quiet. You got the CRL bunk window, opens up, nice for ventilation. The head of the bed, we got 2 LED reading lights with 3 modes. Both sides are bumped out, so there's about 6'3" space across for full tall people like myself. And then we also have the previously installed max air fan. So between the fan, and the window, you're looking pretty ventilated, pretty cozy, nice and cool. So we're at the back of the van. The garage usually is what people call this. They wanted to keep it open just to set up their own storage and all that. But the main critical components is this electrical setup here. So what we have here is 2 6-volt deep cycle batteries run in series to make it 12 volt, running through a Victron Smart Shunt, which is controlled with a Bluetooth app. You don't have to have a control panel or anything like that. It's all digital, which is really nice. And everything is run through this Victron Lynx power in, which is the fusing for the inverter and the main 12 volt panel, as well as the solar. So we have a Blue Sea 12 volt fuse panel, a Kasai 2000 watt inverter, and we're also running a 30 amp shore power plug, so they can plug in wherever. I mentioned before, 270 watts of solar on the roof, and 260 amp hours of battery power. All right, finally, talk about some details. We used tongue and groove pine on the ceiling, 1/4 inch plywood for the walls, keep it nice and light. And we used Havelock wool for the insulation. It's really nice, easy to work with, and should provide some high quality insulation. Otherwise, that's it. Thanks for watching. This is the tour of Charlie the van, and you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook at 97 Customs, or my website is 97customs.com. And if you like more videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.